I mean, right there. He came out of the kitchen just going, la, 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 like he was some kind of zombie about to munch on something. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, February 17th, and I'm so happy to sleep in today. I got up around 9:15, as did he. I was surprised. I expected him to wake up earlier, although I did hear him a couple times say, no, I think he was having a dream or something. And also, I woke up with my hair like already styled this morning, which is pretty awesome. It's almost like what that guy did when I got it cut. And here's what I think I did, though. Last night when I took a shower, I think I kind of forgot to wash out the conditioner because I put in conditioner and then I was like, you know, I usually leave it in while I'm like washing the rest of me and stuff. And because I'm usually in such deep thought when I'm in the shower, and I think for some reason I may have forgot to wash it out, except I think some of it did get washed out just from moving around the shower and stuff and everything, but I didn't like stand there and rinse it out because I got out and I'm like, did I forget to rinse conditioner? Because it felt like, it just didn't feel the same. Like, it didn't feel like overly goopy or anything. But it felt weird. And even Eddie's like, yeah, it does. So I was like, well, oh well. So I woke up today and it's like this. And it still feels pretty soft. But, I don't know. He could have also just been going to sleep with my hair still kind of wet. Anyways, besides that, Eddie's out with his mom right now. I told him to get me a double shot. Even though I got a lot of sleep, I love a double shot. And we got a little bit of a surprise this morning. Did not know that it was supposed to snow today. So yeah, we've got some snow going on. Look at it, it's so pretty. But yeah, look at the porch. It's snowing. Oh, you want to look at it? That's snow. Yeah, that's what's going on so far. I'm about to text Eddie and be like, when are you gonna get here with my double shot? Because sometimes when he's out with his mom, he's out for like a few hours because they go shopping, and I'm just like, okay, come home now. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go text him. I need my double shot. Alright, so today is basically kind of a cleaning day. I'm just in the mood to clean. I have a feeling that's how it's gonna be because during the week, get home, don't really want to do much cleaning, but I'm gonna have time on the weekend. So right now we are cleaning the bed sheets and everything, and Eddie just discovered because there's a divot in his side of the bed, like there's, if you lay on it you kind of sink down a little bit, and he thought it was the mattress, but this is a memory foam mattress. So, and then he looked closer and it's actually the springs on the bottom here. And yes, we don't have a frame. We've never had a frame for this bed. But we have been talking about getting one of those platform beds. Anyway, we've always wanted one of those because it sits low, and plus you can have that storage space with the drawers. And you don't need a box spring for that. You just need the mattress. So we can do that. You know, pack up the box spring, maybe put it downstairs or something, and just use the mattress. So we're gonna start looking at that because we do have tax money. So yay, 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 yay! And Charlie's loving it like this. Yay. Bing. Boom! What was that? What are you doing? Yay! 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 Okay, and go. That's like, what are you doing? I see you have your cup on the bed. What's that about? Why is it there? It's just water, thankfully, if there's anything else. Hey, don't knock it over. So I got that done. While those are washing, I think I'm going to go get started on the dishes and trying to debate if he should take a nap or not. We got up, not too early, but it's going on noon. And I don't know, I'm thinking I might try to lay him down. You want to take a nap?
No.
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 Hey, can you count backwards from 20?
21. 21.
21? That's not backwards.
When?
Say 21, 20,
20,
19,
19, 18, 17, 18,
16.
16,
15.
15,
14.
14.
What about the alphabet backwards? Can you do that? Z.
L,
Oh no. When he says no, that's like, quit trying to make me do tricks.
A,
A. Are you gonna growl?
B,
B.
C,
He does his growl now.
C,
See, that is creepy sounding, dude. D.
E,
Don't bust a blood vessel.
E.
Anyway, I'm gonna go get started on the dishes.
Jump, jump, jump.
No jumping on the bed, little monkey. Okay.
I'm Batman.
Are you?
I bet we-
What are you doing? Yum, 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 yum.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.
He was doing deep voice a minute right there. He came out of the kitchen just going, la, 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 like he was some kind of zombie about to munch on something. And he was just like chasing me. He's stalling because it's his bedtime.
Biddle.
And so he found a piece of his cookie that he hadn't finished. And he's stalling because I said it's bedtime. He said, no bedtime. I said, yeah, it is.
No.
Yeah, you need to go to bed because me and Daddy are going to watch Mission Impossible. I've actually never seen the first movie. I've seen third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Or no, wait. Third, fourth, and fifth. Yeah. Because the sixth one's about to come out. But I've never seen the first or second one. So, hey, get out of Daddy's chair. Anyway, I gotta go take care of this little kid now.
Are
Put
you
him to
sitting in
bed.
Daddy's chair?
Alright, it's that time of night where I say good night. We just got finished watching Mission Impossible #1, which is actually pretty good. I've never actually sat down and watched the whole thing. I've seen bits and pieces, although not a lot, not as much as I thought, because there's only, the main scenes, like where he's hanging from the wire and stuff like that I've seen, because that's what they always play when they reference Mission Impossible. That's what everybody knows. But anyway, it's good, and now probably maybe tomorrow we might watch the second one, because now that's the only one out of the series I have not watched. So I hear there's a lot of doves in it in slow motion. So anyway, but now I'm going to bed. Well, I'm not going to bed. Eddie's playing his game, so I'm gonna go in there and maybe watch something and then go to sleep. It's like 10 o'clock, so I'm a little tired, but not mega tired. So, and tomorrow's Sunday. Probably not doing a lot tomorrow. Another restful day. More cleaning, probably. We'll see how it goes. So.